Regardless of what you buy, you will probably find 1 or 2 silica gel packets in the package. But what can you do with these small packets? Most people throw them away without a second thought, but these packets can save us in many situations. We were surprised when we found these uses, so we decided to share them with you. Save your phone from water. You probably heard that putting a wet phone in some rice helps remove humidity, and it is true. But putting your phone in a container with silica gel packets is much more efficient. Keep your objects fresh and clean. To avoid your sheets and towels from getting moldy, keep them in plastic bags with some silica gel packets. The same trick works for backpacks, cabinets, and even sneakers. Silica gel absorbs humidity and reduces the propagation of bacteria and bad smells. Avoid bad smells in your gym bag. Usually the bag you use to put your gym clothes and accessories doesn't have the most pleasant smell, probably because you put all of your sweaty shirts, pants, shoes, and socks in it after working out. To lessen it a little bit, keep some silica gel packets in your gym bag. They will absorb the humidity and sweat from your things, reducing the strong smells. Preserve your makeup items. Keeping a silica gel packet in your makeup bag keeps everything dry and extends the shelf life of your products. Prevent rusting. Putting silica gel packets in your toolbox prevents your tools from rusting. Remove stains from jewelry. If your silver ring, earring, or necklace is stained, put them next to some silica gel packets to avoid stains. Reduce bad smells in shoes. Put a silica gel packet in each shoe. Use your razors for longer. Razor blades get wet after use, which shortens their shelf life. After using your razor, put it in a container with some silica gel packets. Silica gel absorbs humidity, leaving your razor blade ready to be used again. So, did you like learning how to use silica gel packets? Once the gel turns into a pinkish hue, it means it has absorbed too much humidity and is losing utility. But you can recycle it. Put the packets in a baking tray and take it to the oven for 1 hour at 212 degrees Fahrenheit to dry them.